Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, we will learn about how we can work with CSV files. If you're coming from my machine learning series, there we read the dataset which was in CSV format, row by row, using the CSV module. So if you're interested in learning machine learning, the link for that series can be found down below. So let us go over the CSV module in this video. So CSV stands for comma separated values, and this allows the data to be stored in a tabular format. So let us go back to our editor and work with the CSV module. So back in my editor, let us first import the CSV module. So import CSV. Now I will use the with statement to open a new CSV file in write mode, which will get created if it doesn't already exist. But before that, let us define a list of dictionaries or a list of products, and I will define some key value pairs for each product. So ID I001 and name, shoes, and price 655.65, and let us copy this 2 more times. Change the ID to I002 and this to camera 5250, I003 and this as jackets, and 2799. And now what I want to do is I want to write this list of products into a products.csv file where each dictionary will be represented by a row of the CSV file. So first I'll open a new file, products.csv file, which will get created because as of now it doesn't exist, and we will use the write mode. And then I want only one new line character to occur, so I will use new line as single quotes, and this will spit out a file object for which I can use the alias as file object. Now on the CSV module, we have the writer method that will take on the file object as the argument, and it will spit out a writer object. So here I can say writer csv.writer and pass on the file object. Now in order to write a row to our CSV file, I can make use of the writerow method, and I'll specify 3 columns in that. So I can say writer.writerow, and this expects a row, and a row is composed of 3 cabinets, you can say, product ID, and this will be the header row of our CSV file. So product ID, product name, product price. So now let us iterate over the list of products that we defined above, where each product is a dictionary, and then let us write each of the rows data to our CSV file row by row. So I can iterate over the list of products by saying for product in products and writer, I will again use the writerow method. I will define a row in which the first value will be product ID, which is this one, and we are accessing that using the key name of ID, then product name, which is this one, and then product price. So now we have written our data to the CSV file. Let us run the file to see the output. And if I go back to my Explorer, you can see we are getting a new file, products.csv, and this is a comma separated list of values, as you can see. So now we have written the data to our CSV file. Let us read the CSV file row by row and output the data to our terminal. So for that, I will again use the with statement and the open method to read the products.csv file in the read mode, and this is by default, so I can omit this. And this will give us a file object for which I can use an alias file object. Now in order to read the CSV file, we first need to set up a CSV reader. For that we require the csv.reader method. So I can say reader csv.reader, and this will take on our file object, and this gives us the reader object. So now in order to print the CSV file row by row, I can make use of the for loop, and I can say for row in reader and I can print the row. And now let us run the file to see the output. So now we are reading the contents of our CSV file and printing them to the terminal. So this was a very small video on working with CSV files. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and colleagues, and I will see you guys in the very next one.